Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new to my channel, then my name is Madhuri. Welcome to my channel. Today I am in front of you guys with a brand new eye makeup look, which is smoky glittery eye makeup look. My eye glitter color is peacock color, or you can call it rama green color. And in this video my lens color is brown color. So if you are interested to know how I create this eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. So guys, this is my full and final look. Please comment below about my look, and if you like it then hit the like button, and please share my videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel then subscribe it and hit the bell icon for my new videos notification. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, then you can check out my links. All are in my description box. So take care and stay safe and healthy. Love you all. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my videos.